Hello. In this video, I will be providing a demonstration of one of the tools created and used by JANA to support the verification of GIS data. There are two tools that support the verification process. The purpose of the verification is to not only verify that the value found in GIS is true, but also substantiate the value by linking the identified source document so that the value is verified and traceable. The first tool that we are demonstrating supports our cataloging process. The purpose of cataloging is to structure the documents in FileNet and the LAN so that we know what is found in each document, allowing them to be easily searched down the road during the verification process as we verify data point by data point. Currently, FileNet is largely unstructured and provides very limited insight into what each document contains, the quality of the documents, and to what part of the line loop they pertain to. The catalog process provides this answer. You will see how the results benefit the GIS data verification step when we demonstrate the verification tool, following this demo. The cataloging process starts with a set of files obtained relating to a specific line in the transmission network. A data analyst will work their way through the process one FileNet file at a time. In this process, a file is defined the way it is scanned and stored within FileNet. This could be something from 1 page long to over 1,000 pages. A document, however, is any set of pages within these files which belong together and specifically address some aspect of the pipeline. For example, a certain type of form may span multiple pages, and a file may contain many such forms. Here, the distinction is then this: a file may contain multiple documents. The end result of the cataloging process is that we have an exhaustive and complete map of each document within the FileNet files. For each document, we have the pertinent information within the document, for example, the attribute data types. We also have a quality ranking for the document, and we know the points or ranges over the pipeline that the document covers. We have gone through and completed this process on all the FileNet files for the Cape Horn to Burrard thermal line, as well as the Savona to Penticton line, for a total of approximately 5,400 cataloged and mapped documents. Now, I will take you through an example of the cataloging of a typical document as would be done by a data analyst. Upon first opening the tool, you are presented with a form allowing you to either begin the cataloging or the verification process. In this video, I will be demonstrating cataloging. An interface will appear which gives you a list of all the files relating to a specific line loop. In this case, we are looking at FID 42008, also known as the Cape Horn Burrard thermal. If we select an example file here, the bottom screen will show you a list of all the documents contained within the file. This list of documents has been populated manually by our data analysts using this process. Data analysts will open up a file and go through, creating a new document record for each document found in the file. Let's open up an example document. Here we have a pipeline specification document on pages 6 and 7 of this file. This document contains information that may be useful in our verification process. If we go back to the tool and open the document record, we can see the information which has been recorded by the analysts. The page numbers, document title, document organization, the type of file, and whether or not it has been stamped by an engineer, and the quality rank it has been assigned. The data analyst will then open up the attribute screen and check off each attribute associated with the document. In this document, we have information related to the max pressure, OGC info and pressure tests, depths of cover, pipe category grade or standard, the pipe OD or nominal pipe size, the pipe wall thickness, pipe coatings, flanges, reducers or elbows, the class location, and crossings. The data analyst will then move on to assigning the document to a specific location or range of locations along the pipeline. The locations are assigned based on Fortis GIS chainage values to allow the location of GIS objects to be cross-referenced with these documents. The location referencing of documents is critical for the verification process, which will be demonstrated in a separate video. We can close this out, and the document record is now complete. The analyst will then move on to the next document until all the documents in the file have been recorded before moving on to the next file. This has been a short demonstration of the JANA cataloging tool and process, which is the critical first step in verifying data integrity.